Hey, hello power users, Zbigniew Lukowski here, and today we will be talking about searching for context in our if function. We will be looking if the record exists. So this is a powerful tool which will give you an ability to create ifs based on whether there is a record or there is nothing, and you want to secure both situations to check your conditions. For example, I will be creating a button. As you can see, this button here, I want to have this button text update or create, depending on whether I'm creating new record or I'm updating existing record. So I have on other screen my gallery. If I click new, then I'm in the new form. Let's check it. Up, there is nothing here. And if I'm in the context of my record, for example, Agricola dice manipulation set collection, as you can see, Agricola dice manipulation set collections, I can update this form right now. So I want to have this text, just the text update or create. We have the gallery in which we are in the context, because when we click this, let me see, when we click this, we are transferring the context of this site. So how to check it? As you can see, I'm selecting the parent. So what I will be using on my form will be basically, first of all, I'm using the conditional because I want to have conditional text, and I have my Gallery.Selected because I have selected the record. Well, if I'm not clicking the new button, of course. And here I want to find something which will always be there, which is mandatory. In case of Dataverse or Sharepoint, you have your unique ID. In the Dataverse, it's called GUID, and in the Sharepoint, it's an ID, but the same situation applies. This will be something unique, something created when you create the record. And it will have the name just like your table name, basically by default. So here, this gallery selected board game is a GUID. You can see this on the right side. The data type is GUID. And I want to only secure if it's there. So if I write IsBlank function, IsBlank, I'm securing the situation that this will be empty, and if I will add the exclamation mark, this means that this will be not empty. So the GUID will be there, so there will be a record, and if there is a record, I'm updating my form, and if there is no record, I'm just creating. So basically this is it. As you can see, I'm having the update because I'm in the context of my gallery. If I'm creating the new, I will have create. Let's go, and if I have the context again, I'm having the updating button. This is one of the situations when you need, but you are using not IsBlank function in your if, but if you are, for example, will want to look for something, you can use also a lookup function, and based on your lookup criteria, you can select the GUID, which will be there, and search for it with the IsNotBlank function. And if there is, and if you won't find the record, then you will assume that this will be a new record, and you create something new. So those are two basic types when you need to check if the record exists. First of all is gallery selected. Second of all will be probably lookup for you. And yeah, that's it. I hope I helped you with this quick tutorial. And Zbigniew Lukowski out. You can also see my other videos about Power Platform, Power Automate Desktop, Power Automate, etc. See you soon.